Imagine looking deep into the universe and seeing something that looks like a tiny red star. But it is not an ordinary star. Scientists may have discovered something much stranger. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers studied an extremely distant object called MOM-BH Star 1. This object existed less than 660 million years after the Big Bang. That means we are seeing it from an incredibly early period of the universe. So what makes this object so unusual? Scientists think it could be a black hole surrounded by an enormous cloud of extremely dense gas. The black hole could be rapidly pulling in matter around it. That process releases enormous amounts of energy and makes the surrounding material shine so brightly that the whole object can look almost like a giant red star. Researchers call this possible object a black hole star. And here is where things get even more interesting. For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has been finding mysterious objects known as little red dots in the early universe. Scientists have been trying to understand what these strange red objects really are. Black hole star models could provide an explanation. If these objects really are rapidly growing black holes hidden inside dense clouds of gas, they could help explain how enormous supermassive black holes appeared so early in cosmic history. But there is an important detail. Scientists are still testing this idea. This is not a tiny black hole floating around like a normal star. It may be an entirely different stage of black hole growth that we have never directly observed before. And the James Webb Space Telescope is giving scientists an unprecedented view of the early universe. So we may be looking at something that existed when the universe was still incredibly young. A mysterious red object, a growing black hole, and possibly a new chapter in our understanding of how the universe formed. The universe may be even stranger than we imagined. The universe is full of mysteries.
Subscribe and uncover them with us.